My name is Abhay. I'm from first year CSD branch. My talk is about the personal care devices. Emphasizing the personal health care devices that are remarkable advancement in modern medicine that are truly putting the patient at the center of their own health journey. Imagine a person who has been struggling in chronic condition for years. They have gone through countless doctor's appointments and their various treatment, often feeling the frustrated and misunderstood. Now, the personalized healthcare device is the individual has renewed the sense of hope and empowerment. They can monitor their health parameter in real life, gaining insight into how their body responds to different activities and food and environments. Data collection. These devices gather a wide range of health-related data, such as vital signs, uh, heart rate, blood pressure, etc. Activities levels, sleep patterns, dietary habits. They often use sensors, wearables, and monitoring technologies to continuously track the records data. Data analysis of healthcare devices are used in advanced algorithms and AI-driven analytics to the process the data collection. These algorithms can identify patterns, trends, or correlation within the data to generate meaningful insight about the individual's status. Real-time monitoring of healthcare devices. These devices often offer real-time monitoring, allowing individuals to their healthcare provider to stay informed about their changes in health status and respond promptly to an emerging issue. Thank you.